After analyzing hundreds of YouTube short channels for the last 30 days, I'm going to show you the easiest and most viral YouTube short niches you can go into right now. Obviously, you can make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars with these niches, and creating videos for these 5 niches is super easy, so let's get into it. Niche number 1, animal shorts. I want you to take a look at this channel. It's called Versus Zoo, which has racked up 682,000 subscribers with just 11 videos. This is mind-blowing. Every video has several million views. So, why is this niche so special? After analyzing their audience, it's clear that this niche has a broad audience spectrum, including all different age groups from all the countries. Basically, this is one of the niches with the highest audience. They are making a video about comparing animals by strength. We can take this niche to the next level by making more useful content about the animal world. I'm 100% sure that you will get 10,000 subscribers within a week. And all of these videos are AI generated. It's super easy to make. Niche number 2, Reddit story shorts. This niche is one of the easiest niches that you can use to go insanely viral. Just take a look at this channel. They only post Reddit story short videos. They have gained 2 million subscribers with 569 million views. This is another channel that's following the same method. The reason why this niche is so popular and going insanely viral is that people love to listen to gossip, especially about this type of insane stories about love life, cheating stories, real-life horror stories, and more. What most of these successful short channels do is post the same story in several parts. So, when a viewer watches one of their videos, they will probably go to their channel and look for other parts, which is why they have this insane amount of views. And creating videos for this niche is super easy. You can use an AI tool like Shorts AI for this process, and I would like to thank Shorts AI for sponsoring today's video. This is an AI video generator that you can use to automate your video creation process. As an example, if you are planning to start a Reddit story short channel, this AI tool can do everything for you in minutes. What you need to do is sign up for Short AI and select this Reddit story template. Now, you will come to this page. With this Reddit card option, you can edit the look of your profile, change the name to something cool, and you can change these description emojis as well. If you want, you can upload a profile picture for this, then you can add your Reddit post here. If you don't have any Reddit stories, just go to Reddit and find a crazy story, and you just need to copy the link of that post and paste it here, then automatically everything will be imported to this. If not, you can generate a story for any topic with the AI script option. You just need to explain the topic of your story, select the duration time, and click the Generate option. Once the script is completed, click the Next button. Now you need to select a background video from these gaming video clips. After that, you need to select a cool subtitle style from these templates. The next step is to select an AI voice to narrate this story. You can also select background music from the page. After everything is done, you can generate the final video, and it's super easy.
Caught in a web of betrayal. Should I save my marriage or walk away? Jake thought he had a perfect life. His wife, Mia, was his dream. They had a happy home. One day, while cleaning the attic, Jake found a box. Curious, he opened it. Inside were letters and photos. One photo stood out. It was Mia, laughing with someone unfamiliar. He flipped through the letters. Each was addressed to Mia, signed by Alex. It didn't take long for Jake to realize that Alex was Mia's cousin.
That was super easy. Now, let's move on to the third short niche, which is Folklore Story. This niche has a lot of sub-niches. Wisdom folklore is one of the most viral subcategories under this niche. The best example is this channel, which has around 1.47 million subscribers. Another new trending category is African folklore stories. Not only these, but you can also make Japanese, Greek, and ancient folklore stories as well. This niche has a wide variety of categories. If you are planning to start this niche, don't just stick to the same category as everyone. Just start with a unique category that no one is doing. You can also use Short AI to create these type of short videos. You just need to select this AI story video option. If you select this AI script option, we have several templates for different niches, such as motivational, history, bedtime stories, and more. I have generated some video ideas using ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste one of those topics under this custom prompt option. And let's generate the script. The process is similar to before. The only difference is, instead of selecting a gaming background, we have these styles, such as this Ghibli style, watercolor theme, and more. For this specific example, I'm going to select the Disney style arts. Now, you can select a suitable subtitle style and a voice to narrate the story and complete the process.
Once in a vibrant forest, the tortoise was hungry and scheming. He heard of a feast in the sky that the birds attended. The aroma of delicious food wafted down to him, making his belly rumble. tortoise wanted more than anything to join them, but he lacked wings. A plan began to form in his crafty mind. He approached the birds with a sly smile. "Dear friends," he said, "I have a great idea. Let's collaborate."
It only took me several minutes to make that video with Shorts AI. Now let's move on to the next niche, which is the Bible Stories niche. This is one of the most viral short channel that posts Bible stories and has gained 717,000 subscribers, which means this niche has a huge audience. Basically, what they do is make videos about the Bible, Bible verses, and give a good message to society. Another successful channel under this niche is this one. They don't post short videos, but they post long videos. With just 15 videos, they have achieved 68,000 subscribers. If you make short videos under this category, I'm sure it will go insanely viral within weeks. The last niche of today's video is the fake text scenarios niche. These three channels are doing extremely well with this niche. The reason why this niche is the best is these videos are addictive. I mean, have you ever skipped a fake text story video on YouTube or TikTok? No, right? Exactly. These stories can keep the viewer's attention and curiosity till the end of the video, which will help the video to have better watch time, and then the algorithm will push these videos to a wider audience, which will result in a huge spike in views. And video ideas for this niche are actually unlimited. These don't have to be really stories, just make it sound real, and you will get millions of views. Again, you can use Short AI to generate these fake text story videos easily. Let me show you. First, you need to select this fake chat story template. Now, you will come to this page here. You can change the name of the chat, and I have generated this fake chat scenario using ChatGPT. All you need to do is paste these dialogues like this. Make sure to select the correct characters as the receiver and sender. Once you add all the dialogues, click this next button, just like before. You can select a suitable background video from this. Then you can select chat template from these. The next step is selecting AI voices. Make sure to understand your characters in the dialogues. In this video, one character is a male, so let's select a male voice for that. The next character is female. Let's select the female voice for that. And that's all. You can generate the video.
Lena, we need to talk. Now, don't even try to lie.
Jake, what are you talking about?
You and Ryan. I saw the texts. I saw the photos.
Jake, I can explain.
Explain what? You're sneaking around with my best friend behind my back. My best friend, Lena, the guy I trusted like a brother.
It wasn't supposed to happen like this. It started as a mistake. But then...
A mistake? Sleeping with him multiple times isn't a mistake. You chose this. Both of you did.
I didn't mean to hurt you, Jake. We tried to stop. We really did. But feelings got involved.
Stop. Just stop. You were like a sister to him. He came to our house every weekend, and you turned it into something sick.
I didn't plan it, okay? He listened to me when no one else did. I felt seen for once. I didn't mean for it to get this far.
So I guess my friendship meant nothing. My loyalty, my family?
I hate myself for this, Jake. I never wanted it to go this way. I wish I could undo it.
You can't. You broke something that doesn't get fixed with "I'm sorry." You didn't just lose my trust. You lost me.
Please don't say that. Please.
Ryan's dead to me. And I don't even know who you are anymore.
So, these are the best short niches that you can start in 2025. With that, today's video has come to an end. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I will see you in the next video.